पाकिस्तान ने आज वेस्ट इंडीज़ के ख़िलाफ़ लेजेंड चैम्पियनशिप टूर्नामेंट में सेमीफाइनल खेलना है काउंटी क्रिकेट ग्राउंड नॉर्थहैम्पटन में। और ये सेमीफाइनल पाकिस्तान के मियारी वक्त के मुताबिक आज दोपहर 4:30 बजे शुरू होगा। और अभी अगर मुआवजा करें दोनों टीमों का तो पाकिस्तान has been superb so far in the tournament. Pakistan have played 5 matches. Out of 5, they won 4, and they only lost their last match against South Africa, in which their bowling was very pathetic, due to which they lost that game. Otherwise, they would have been the table toppers of the tournament. और शानदार परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑल डिपार्टमेंट की रही है, बॉलिंग की, स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट की, बैटिंग की और फील्डिंग भी कदर बेहतर रही है पाकिस्तान की, जिसकी वजह से जो स्ट्रीक बिल्ड किया था इस टीम ने 4 मैचों तक वो शानदार रहा था। आखिरी मैच में भी गो के पाकिस्तान की टीम की परफॉर्मेंसेस को अगर आप देखें विद द बैट इन पर्टिकुलर, आई मीन दैव बीन सुपर्ब, दे वर सुपर्ब थ्रू द 20 overs in their batting innings. However, in bowling, they slept everything from their hands, and due to which South Africa went on to chase that 213 runs against very easily. और इस टूर्नामेंट का पाकिस्तानी टीम की परफॉर्मेंसेस इस टूर्नामेंट में शानदार रही है। ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ़ यू लुक टू पाकिस्तान काउंटर पार्ट against which Pakistan is going to play today's semi-final, I mean I'm talking about West Indies. The West Indies की tournament so far it hasn't been that influential, that effective. I mean West Indies have played 5 matches, and out of 5 they have been able to win only 2 of them. So they lost 3 and won only 2. तो इससे आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं purely on tournament form, purely on performances of the tournament. I mean Pakistan, you can say, is clearly favorite, and the way they have been doing the rounds is something that truly illustrates that how they play in this tournament. Whether it is their bowling, their batting and their fielding and their spin department, what stands out most for me in this Pakistan team is that how they deliver in crunch moments. So whether it is their bowlers or batters, I mean when a Pakistan goes through a difficult phase during their batting, it is their batters who raise themselves to the occasion and then perform and then deliver, and due to which Pakistan is winning matches. However, if Pakistan faces any sort of difficulties while defending the total, it is their bowler who raise themselves to the occasion, and that's the reason why they're winning matches. And this is what this team has been doing very effectively and winning matches. Now it would be a naif assessment to write West Indies off, particularly in a knockout game. I mean West Indies is a kind of a team which features Darren Sammy, Chris Gayle, all these kind of players. So you cannot write West Indies off from this semi-final. It is true that Pakistan is favourite, but on the other hand, I have to look to West Indies. I mean, they've also been superb, and they've got players, seasonal companions of T20 cricket. So I think in this regard, you cannot write them off, though Pakistan is favourite. Now, if you look to conditions, I mean, what kind of condition will the county cricket ground Northampton offers? I mean, when it is overcast, the ball wobbles, the ball seams, and it subtly favors fast bowlers, seam bowlers. As the game progresses, the pitch gets better and the ball comes onto the bat nicely. फिर आपको इतने मसाइल्स नहीं होते बैटिंग करते वक्त, लेकिन initially, if the condition remains overcast, if the weather remains cloudy, then the team wins the toss, which certainly wants to bowl first to extract the best purchases from the conditions. And then when the initial phase of 4 or 5 hour period is gone, then definitely the pitch stay true, and then the ball comes onto the bat nicely, and then this pitch offers a high scoring games. So I think it will remain to be seen how pitch behaves. The pitch hasn't been used frequently in recent times, but record suggests that the pitch offers high scoring game, and there is a 2 bounce on this pitch, which even favors more batters. And then this is another reason that this pitch is a high scoring match, and that crisp sounds of the bat when the ball hits the bat is something that is the epitome that how the ball comes on the bat nicely. तो अब देखना होगा कि पाकिस्तान किस तरह से स्ट्रेटजाइज करता है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेटजी पाकिस्तानी टीम इज़ गोइंग टू मेक अगेंस्ट वेस्ट इंडीज़, एट रिमेंस टू बी सीन। और इस मैच ने दिन के टाइम होना है, लोकल टाइम जो होगा वो 12:30 होगा। And there is a other semi-final too, which is going to take place today later in the evening of the local time and during the daytime, during the night time of Pakistan and India time. That is again India versus Australia. That is the another semi-final in the Legend Championship tournaments. We hope Pakistan team won't disappoint as they have been playing. They should replicate their true potential as with which they have been playing in this tournament so far, and it remains to be seen what kind of show Pakistan can team put. So we hope all the best for team Pakistan, and we keep our finger crossed that Pakistan team will definitely win this semi-final and will play the final either with India or Australia.